Okay, here we go. This is the Spyderco Pingo. It is a slip joint. It is tip up only carry, left or right, but not tip down. Wire clip, no jimping on the blade, slightly off center on the centering. It is a two-hand opener. This is for design only. It does have a half stop. And no lanyard hole. Very nice sheep's foot style blade. It does have jimping here, though I don't know if I want to keep my finger there because of that blade. No jimping on the top. So, but yeah, it's just a very unique Spyderco. This would be my second Italian-made knife from Spyderco, the other one being the Rodi. So there you go, the Spyderco Pingo, or Pingo. Yeah, so that jimping disappears, so that tells me that I guess its intended purpose is to when the blade's open, which I am not doing. I tell you, we live in a good age. So I just was watching videos on this knife, and so that jimping is designed so that the knife does not close on you. See? Because it's a slip joint. So there you go. Man, I tell you, sometimes you just gotta take the time to research, but it is what it is.